Good morning students. In last video we have started with our lesson number 16, subject EVS 2. Lesson number 16, campaign in the south. Okay, what we have learnt in the last lecture, that Shivaji Maharaj have decided to campaign in the south. Okay, he decided to attack Karnataka. He had taken help of Qutub Shah of Golconda, and he had also visited to Golconda. Now let's see our next page, the next part of the lesson. Next, page number 61, Conquest of Jinji. Taking leave of Qutub Shah, Shivaji proceeded south and reached the east coast. To the south of Chennai is the fort of Jinji. It is a big fort, as big and strong as Raigad. Shivaji besieged and captured it. A strong southern base was thus created for Swaraj. Then he besieged the Vellore fort. The siege lasted for several months, but the fort could not be conquered. Shivaji had to train his guns on the fort from a neighboring hill before he could conquer it. His southern camp brought under his rule several forts and territory with an annual revenue of 20 lakhs. So what happened the next? After Golconda, Shivaji Maharaj कहाँ गए? He had went to the south near the east coast. East coast वहाँ पर क्या था? जिंजी फोर्ट. जिंजी फोर्ट कितना बड़ा था? As strong as Raigad. So what did Shivaji had done? He had besieged and captured the Jinji, and then he tried it for Vellore too. But unfortunately, the Vellore fort could not be conquered. This siege and everything, it took several months, and around annual revenue was 20 lakhs for them. Come to the next page. Meeting with Vyankoji Raje. कौन थे व्यांकोजी राजे? शिवाजी महाराज के स्टेप ब्रदर थे व्यांकोजी राजे. Shivaji Maharaj invited Vyankoji Raje, his step brother, to meet him. Vyankoji Raje reluctantly agreed. Shivaji received him with great honor and tried to win him over. So शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या सोचा कि व्यांकोजी राजे से मिलते हैं. He had invited him, but व्यांकोजी का मन था क्या उनसे मिलने का? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. But still he said yes. एंड शिवाजी महाराज विद अ ग्रेट ऑनर, उन्होंने व्यांकोजी महाराज को अपने घर लेकर आए. ही अपील टू व्यांकोजी राजे टू हेल्प हिम इन द वर्क ऑफ स्वराज. फॉर अ फ्यू डेज व्यांकोजी राजे stayed with शिवाजी महाराज, but one night he returned to Tanjavur without even taking leave of Shivaji Maharaj. So what happened? Vyankoji Maharaj was staying with Shivaji Maharaj, but one day what he did, one night what Vyankoji Maharaj had did, he had returned to Tanjavur. Tanjavur was the Jagir, an ancestral Jagir of Shahaji Rajes. From Tanjavur he actually attacked Shivaji's forces. Shivaji's forces took heavy toll of the attacking troops and Vyankoji Raje was defeated. So what happened? व्यांकोजी राजे ने क्या किया? अपने ही भाई से दुश्मनी कर ली. Yes or no? He had attacked to शिवाजी महाराज forces, मतलब बाकी के आर्मी के ऊपर उन्होंने अटैक किया. किसके लिए? तांजावुर के लिए, जो एक्चुअल में किसकी जागीर थी? शाहाजी राजेस की जागीर थी. शिवाजी महाराज was deeply, students turn your page, पेंड एट व्यांकोजी राजेस बिहेवियर. अब शिवाजी महाराज को बहुत दुख हुआ कि अपने ही भाई ने उनसे झगड़े किए, राइट, अटैक किया उनके फोर्स पे. सो ही वॉज वेरी सैड. ही रोट टू हिम एंड ट्राइड टू परसुएड हिम टू चेंज हिज वेज. ही कॉन्फर्ड ऑन हिम द टेरिटरी साउथ ऑफ जिंजी एंड सेट असाइड अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका एज अ गिफ्ट फॉर दीपाबाई, व्यांकोजी's wife. He said in his letter to Vyankoji Raje, "Do not put your trust in your enemies. Follow the path of valor." Now what happened? Then शिवाजी महाराज की फोर्स ने क्या किया? व्यांकोजी राजे को डिफीट कर दिया, इट मीन्स हरा दिया. एंड बट शिवाजी महाराज वॉज अ गुड पर्सन. व्हाट डिड ही डू? उन्होंने अपना हिस्सा, कर्नाटक हिस्सा जो उन्होंने कॉन्कर किया था, वो एज अ गिफ्ट किया. जिंजी टेरिटरी व्यांकोजी राजे की वाइफ दीपाबाई को गिफ्ट किया. एंड व्यांकोजी को लेटर में क्या लिखा? Do not put your trust in your enemies. Follow the path of valor. After the conclusion of this successful campaign of Karnataka, Shivaji returned to Raigad. While he was yet to overcome the strain of this campaign, he had to undertake a naval campaign against the Siddhi of Janjira. सो जस्ट वो शिवाजी महाराज रिटर्न आए ही थे तो नेक्स्ट कैंपेन उन्होंने क्या की, नेवल कैंपेन अगेंस्ट होम, अगेंस्ट सिद्धि ऑफ जंजीरा. एट दिस टाइम महाराज वॉज 50 years old. He had toiled continuously for near 35 years without any time to rest. And at this time, during this campaign, what was the age of Shivaji Maharaj? He was 50 years old. And up to 35 years he continuously done many campaigns. He was continuously doing his work without any rest. Next, the people's protector is no more. On 3rd April 1680 Shivaji Maharaj died. Last में क्या हो गया, on 3rd April 1680 शिवाजी महाराज की डेथ हो गई. He died. Plugging his people into a sea of sorrow, the protector of people passed away. So, Shivaji Maharaj was the people's protector, and finally, on the 3rd April 1680, Shivaji Maharaj died. In his lifetime, Maharaj achieved so many great things. He vanquished very powerful enemies and founded Hindvi Swaraj. There was none in the whole of India who could match his achievement. He was a great national figure. So, on 3rd April 1680 शिवाजी महाराज की डेथ हो गई and everyone was feeling very sad. But Shivaji Maharaj in his whole life, what he have done? He have done many great things. He had defeated many powerful enemies and finally he had founded the Hindvi Swaraj. There was none other Maharaj like Shivaji. So finally Shivaji Maharaj had won many hearts and made the Hindvi Swaraj. Students, come to next page, page number 63. This is our India's map. You can see here, okay, the orange colored one, the Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj. तो शिवाजी महाराज ने ऑलमोस्ट इतनी जगह पर हिंदवी स्वराज एस्टैब्लिश किया. Okay, so students, here we are completing with our lesson number 16. Watch the video and understand. Okay, bye bye.